A blessed Monday morning to all of you, my dear brothers and sisters. You may have heard my fellow young ones expressing these words, na real talk ako doon. Na real talk. Minsan po nasasabi ito kapag ang isang kaibigan ay nagtapat ng kanyang saloobin sa tao. May itinapat na realidad sa taong ito. Nagtapat ng mga bagay na marahil sana ay tulungan ang isang taong mabago ang kanyang buhay at madami pang iba. At kapag na-real talk tayo, some may breathe with ease after hearing those words. But take note, some may continue a day disturbed because of those real talks. Jesus met this rich young man. Although he was described as a young man, maybe we can add the word rich because he had many possessions. And the rich young man was honest enough to ask the Lord, what good must I do to gain eternal life? We can say he asked a valid question. He wanted to go to heaven. Pero hindi po natin inaasahan na mariril talk din siya ni Jesus. Jesus said to him, "Do the commandments," and he replied, "I have done it. What more can I do?" And Jesus answered him, "If you wish to be perfect, go sell what you have and give to the poor, and you will have treasure in heaven, and you will follow me." Nasampal marahil ang batang ito sa sagot ni Jesus. Na-real talk siya ni Jesus. But then, let us remember what was his response. He responded by turning his back from Jesus, sad. My dear friends, I know we have our questions needed to be solved and answered. Gusto po natin matanggap ang mga nire-request po natin. On the one hand, nakikinig tayo sa payo, pero minsan ang mga sagot sa tanong at mga payo ng tao at payo ng Diyos sa atin, minsan mahirap, minsan masakit, minsan parang hindi natin kakayanin. Beyond our imagining, beyond our desires, and even of our thinking. But God would just want to be honest. But sometimes, we tend to turn back from truth. Inaayos ang buhay natin, pero umaalma tayo. Pinagsasabihan tayo, pero tinatalikuran natin. Pinapayuhan tayo, pero mas tumitigas pa ang ating ulo. Sinasabihan tayo, pero tumatalikod din tayong malungkot. My dear brothers and sisters, we will ask, we will seek for counsel, magpapagabay tayo, gusto nating malinawan, pero ihanda din po natin ang sarili nating ma-real talk. Kapag na-real talk tayo ng Diyos at ng kapwa, matuwa tayo dahil may pakialam ang mga taong iyan sa atin. Kapag nang loko na yan, kapag hindi na yan nagsabi ng totoo, mag-isip-isip na po tayo kung totoong kaibigan o kasama iyan. Dahil ang nagpapakatotoo sa atin, nagmamahal sa atin. Huwag sana tayong humantong na kahit pagpapaayos ng Diyos sa buhay natin, tinatalikuran na rin natin. God would just want real talk. Pero para maging mabuti tayo at para maging maligaya tayo sa buhay na ito na Kanyang ibinigay.